Mubs got beats.
Hey, babes! It is Thursday, August 30th, 2018, and I am on the computer here only because I usually download my apps onto a different phone and record from my phone. But this time, I want to do something a little different, just as an experiment. This is white noise, what we're about to listen to. It is uncomfortable to listen to, but the reason why I want to do the white noise is because the white noise does not have words like a word bank like we do the DRV, which is direct radio voices. This is not that. So I want to try this and just see what we get. I just want to program it real quick, just so you know, only Vinny has a hold of who can come through and who can't. Vinny is my spirit guide for those who don't know, and he will not allow evil through. So with that being said, give me one moment. Okay. Hello? Vinny, you there? Hello? Kenneka, you here? Pin, that's you. I know you. Hi. You never seem to not amaze me. Is this one hard for you to use? Kenneka Jenkins. Can you tell me, were you adopted? I don't think you were. Am I correct? Am I correct? I'm gonna get going. Tell me everything you can, guys. Is Whitney Houston with you? Whitney, you told me you drowned in the tub before. Who did that? For what? I'm gonna review it. Houston, who killed your daughter? Kenneka, are you here? Okay, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Whew. Okay. Oh my. Alright, I want to try one more. If I have it on here. Oh, I don't have it on here. Of course not. I don't have my other phone here either. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna end this one here. I'm not sure what I got. I know I heard things. Hold on one second. I definitely heard things going on. I heard more. I know I heard Vinny at first. And it seemed like the male figure took over. So I'm not sure what was said, but I will find out. I love you, babes.
Mubs got beats.
Ready for me, in the floor, I can't see clear. Don't ask, can't wake up here. Wake me up, can't you hear me? Look at me, save me.